Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Black Truffle Pie recipe in Heartopia. So this is one of the best high value recipes in the game, that making it a great way for new players to earn coins quickly. So to unlock this recipe, first you need to collect the black truffle like this. You can find it on Forest Island that located on here. This area, you can go to this island, and then after you get the black truffles, just go to your stove and then tap on it, and then just choose the mushroom pie recipe, the original mushroom like this. And then in here you just need to replace the mushroom ingredients with the black truffle like this. And then you also need the way that you can get it from the gardening hobby, and egg that you can buy from NPC Massimo. And then after that, just simply tap start cooking. And okay, that's it. When it's finished, you will successfully unlock the black truffle pie recipe. And you can just cook it anytime as long as you have the required ingredients. And it will look like this, you can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.